Hey guys, how's it going? How to create videos fast and easy with DupDub AI. So first of all, go ahead to the official website. Okay, make sure that you start the free 3-day free trial, and we're gonna just go ahead to the AI avatar to create a video, right? So log in using your account, of course, and then afterwards you're gonna select which the following describes you. In my case, I'm a let's say freelancer. Hit continue. Social media, create, or what kind of content do you create, plan to create, let's say social social media content, right? And you're gonna be able, right, to create content, right? Obtain video scripts, AI writing, craft words, AI voiceover, enhance storytelling, or bring story to life, or instant voice cloning, AI writing. Now I'm gonna, I think, use the AI avatar, right? And just type what should they say, right? Let's say, hi, my name is Amar, right? And then select style, sad, angry, let's say angry. And the pitch, you can select the pitch if you want it to be like high pitch. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click generate talking photos, or yeah, okay. Then hit and select the person, of course, the voiceover who would perform the voiceover. Let's say Jensen Moore, and then hit generate, and then basically they're now gonna generate the video for you. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.